Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick press schedule. First, understand that a brick press schedule is a vital tool for efficient brick manufacturing. It helps you manage your production line, ensuring smooth operations and consistent output. By following a well-structured schedule, you can optimize material usage and maintain high-quality brick production. Let's dive into the key components. A typical brick press schedule includes several key components. You'll find details on the raw materials, such as clay or concrete mix, and their precise quantities. It also specifies the pressing force, which might be around 150 tons for certain bricks, and the cycle time per brick. Additionally, the schedule outlines crucial curing parameters like temperature and humidity levels for optimal strength development. To implement your brick press schedule effectively, begin by cross-referencing all machine settings with the documented plan. Ensure your material feeders are calibrated for the specified input amounts. During operation, continuously monitor the pressing process and brick output. If you notice any deviations, make small, controlled adjustments to maintain quality and efficiency. This proactive approach minimizes waste and maximizes productivity. Following a brick press schedule offers numerous benefits. You'll achieve consistent brick quality, reducing defects and ensuring customer satisfaction. It also helps in minimizing material waste, potentially saving thousands of dollars annually. For best practices, regularly review and update your schedule based on performance data. Train your team thoroughly on its use, fostering a culture of precision and efficiency in your brick manufacturing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.